Although professional traders are position traders, and also banks and financial institutions trade like position trading. They hold the trade for some months, even a years. They wait with the trade, but there are hardly any good method, any strong strategy by which you can trade on forex market. Now here I will show you how successfully you can trade on position trading using one simple method, just using your common sense and using supply demand, or you can call it support resistance zone. I didn't use any types of indicator, rather I used simple tools, that is trend line tools and horizontal tools. Horizontal tools for recognizing our support zone and resistance zone, or you can call it supply zone and demand zone. When price will come to your support zone or demand zone, watch very carefully, market will give you opportunity. And at the same time, when market will go to your support zone or supply zone, resistance zone or supply zone, just watch carefully, market will give you some opportunity. So I will show you now practically how you can do this. This is New Zealand USD chart, New Zealand dollar against US dollar. And as we are trading at position trading strategy, so we set our chart on weekly chart. So I'm going to show you a very strong strategy. First, we got this point, so we need to mark this. This is not any single line, this is like a zone, this is like a zone. So allow me to show you like this way. This is like a zone. So when market came here and then from here market started to move back from here to here, then we need to be very careful that when market came this position, we will take some action. Like when market came here, we will watch very carefully. We can take a buy setup. When market came this position, then again we can take another buy position and see how market beautifully turned here from here to buy side. So how strong the buyers got, just watch. Again, this is a very strong area because market is respecting this area again and again from here, from here, from here. So when market will come here, then we will be very careful that when market come here, then we can see that market got indecision. Sellers hold the control, again buyers come, again sellers hold the control and fake out, buyers again come, and now finally buyers push the market up. So if we sold here, if we bought here, then we could make some good amount of money from here to here. And then finally again price came from here to here, and then some rejection, but again bulls or buyers tried to push up the market, but they failed, and now boom, market gone in down mode and this area broke. When this area got broke, then we need to be very focused in this area, because now we will find a selling opportunity because our support zone already or our demand zone already broke. So here we got a doji. If we can sell from this doji here because market again give us this opportunity, but if we miss out this selling opportunity, doesn't matter, we will wait. Market came from here to here and then market went from here to this is live market. So and we are seeing that some rejection is happening. So if we get any good setup, we can again sell from here because our support now turned into resistance, or our demand now will be turned in our supply zone. This is the strategy. If you have any queries regarding this method, this supply demand or support resistance zone method, for position trading, and which pairs are the best for position trading, and which time frame is the best, you can ask me on my comment section.